Welcome back, students. Good morning to all. We are with our website design and how to make a website. We are getting an introduction of this thing. First of all, we are to decide the purpose. Purpose is the aim behind setting up our website. So it may be that we want to give information to our audience. We want to entertain them. We want to persuade them to do something as these e-commerce websites are doing, or we want to spread awareness about certain topics. The next point is audience. When you want to set up your website, you should have clear idea about the identity of the targeted viewers. So audience means your viewers, those people for whom you are preparing your website. Audience may be friends, it may be members of a family, it may be members of a club, a community, or general people. You should also be clear about their expectations, what they would expect on visiting our website. Nature of audience decides the design of the website, the colors used, fonts used, the size of the fonts, the nature of files, and the presentations. All these things should be according to our audience. Then it will be attractive and it hold the audience if it is for public. For professional and academic audience, the fonts and colors should be sober rather than flashy. And if it is friendly website for our friends, website for our relatives, then it can be colorful and bright and all that showy things can be used in its presentation. The economic status of the audience should also be considered in deciding about the size and quality of the files. So if the size of our files is large, then it will take more time, means it will consume more data. If it is not suitable to the economic status, to the pocket of our viewer, then he may opt out. So we should be very careful about the economic status of our viewers also. Then next we are to decide about the voice and tone of our website. Voice simply is language, in which language we are going to present our website, and tone is the way or level, or it is also the tenor of the language with which we will get interaction with the viewer, or in which the material will be presented on our pages. So voice means the choice of your language, and tone means the way you want to impress your audience or connect to your audience. Again, the content, language, images, and the style of presentation are like the face of our institution. It is just going to be the introduction, the appearance, the first appearance of our website. For professional sites, voice and tone should be free from prejudice, free from discrimination, means there should not be no indication of gender discrimination or class discrimination or discrimination on religion, means all these things should be impartial. The voice and tone on our page should be impartial. It is better to avoid jargons, insulting words, unnecessary humors, and the taboo contents. Especially if our website is going to be a public one, we should be very careful about the voice and tone in our pages, language, and the lexical items, the words used in our content. Then the next point is structure. What will the structure of our website? Websites consist of several pages and many internal and external links. There should be clear directions for the users. on each page we should include a link to the home page at the top or at the bottom of that page. So the navigation from one page to another page should be very clear and easy for the user. And there should be this option always on every page link to home page. A page about the site should also be included to show a map of your site. These things we are to present on the home page. Means there should be a link about the website. Generally, structure should include addresses or links to necessary information. Important directions may be about use, sitemap, photos, audio, video, contacts, and help. So, if we open a website, on the home page we will find these things right on the top: about, information, structure, contact, email address. So these are the things which are very necessary or the essential things to be included on the home page. Besides these things, we are also to decide how many pages there will be in our website, because the more pages means the more space needed on internet, and if there is any unnecessary adding of pages, then it will not be good on the impression of our website. Next point is the interaction of text and images. On our web page and even in our website, the files may be text file, audio file, video file, or photos, or charts, graphs. As now it is very easy to use multimedia in computer, our website is going to be a collection of all these various types of media, audio and visual and all these things. So images should be given appropriate title and introduction. We should be clear about the images we are going to use, especially on the home page. And if we are going to use images in other pages, other web pages of our website, then we should take care that proper introduction, proper title is given to every image. Remember the need to acknowledge the text or image from other sources. If we have borrowed the text or the image from other sources to fulfill the demands of copyright, we are to give credit or information from where we have taken that material. Copyright material should be indicated clearly. If anything is copyright, we should indicate that it is a copyright thing and it should not be copied lavishly. Text and images should be selected properly and sensitively. Again, there should not be any insensitive thing, as we should be very careful about the choice of language. Similarly, we should be very careful about choosing our text and images, especially our images, and they should be according to the suitability of our website. So these are the various things we should clearly chalk out in our mind when we are going to set up our web page. In our next class, we will discuss about the design and presentation, and if possible, if time will allow, we will take some technical terms also. So till then, thanks. See you in the next class. Thank you.